Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Elwood Adamson, and I would like to welcome you to the Single Parent Foundation, where we aim to go over beyond to help single parents. Today, we have a guest speaker. She's not only just a single parent, but she became a pre-K teacher. Her name is Jimmy Sue Holly, and she will tell you the struggles and what she has to endure of becoming a pre-K teacher, but being a single parent. A little bio about Miss Jimmy Sue Holly. Jimmy Sue Holly, originally from Alexander City, Alabama, the daughter of Arthur and Mary Bower. She had six siblings, three brothers and three sisters. She had two sons. She attended the high school in Alexander City back at the time was called Laura High School because it was a predominant all-black school where she furthered her education to Tuskegee University, where she transferred to Tuskegee University and she went to Central Alabama Community College. After finishing at Alabama Community College, she went and got a job at Community Action, where it was like a daycare where she helped out little kids and even the elderly people and single parent mothers also at the time. So she spent 5 years there. Then she finally transferred to another job where it transferred her job to Laura High School, but it was just a head start for pre-K students. So she spent 27 years at Laura High School, and she have endured much of becoming helping single parent mothers and guiding them and giving them wisdom of how to succeed in life. So if you don't mind, could you please help me welcome Miss Jimmy Sue Holly?